Every prompt you send Gemini gets saved to your Google account by default. Here's how to delete it and how to stop it from saving in the first place. On the web, click Settings and Help in the bottom left of Gemini, then tap Activity. On mobile, tap your profile picture in the top right and select Gemini Apps Activity. You'll see a full list of everything Gemini has saved, every prompt, every conversation. To wipe it all, click Delete and choose All Time from the drop-down. Confirm the deletion and everything is gone. If you only want to remove a specific period, you can also choose last hour, last day, or a custom range from that same menu. To stop Gemini from saving anything going forward, click on near the top of the page. You'll get two choices. Turn off keeps your past activity, but stops saving new chats. Or turn off and delete activity, which clears everything at once and stops future saving. Pick whichever fits, and once it's off, new conversations won't be logged. That's it. Settings and Help, Activity, delete all time, then turn off to stop it saving. Takes about a minute. And one note, even with activity off, Gemini still holds your chats for up to 72 hours for safety reasons, but they won't show in your account. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.